We have three revenue streams in terms of a business model that we want to highlight over here. Our platform is very simple. That is the first feature that I would like to add. It is very intuitive platform and a very user friendly. We want to have our partners like kind of marketing partner, promotional partner, which can help us in our marketing aspect or promotional aspect.
Hello, good morning, sir. I'm Yashi Malva. We welcome you on board with us today. Can I please ask you to introduce yourself to the viewers?
Thank you, Ashri. So, first of all, thanks Startup Lane for giving me the opportunity to feature our company on Startup Lanes. I'm Praveen Kausalgikar, founder of Foxycook platform. It's an Audlison venture. It's a trademark product of Audlison venture. It's basically a smarter decision platform for smartphone buyers.
Okay, great. So, moving on with the interview, my very first question for you is how did you come up with the idea of your startup?
Yeah, so the genesis of Foxycook began when I was looking to buy a mobile for my parents. And what happened while searching for the mobile, I came across a lot of information. You know the big hole of the information on Google, and there is a restricted knowledge of your friends, family, and relatives, which gives the recommendation for smartphone, which to be buy. So the idea came from that side that there should be a platform which gives a user a recommendation, a suggestion to buy a smartphone according to their budget, what kind of features they want, and what kind of functionality they are looking for. So that's the Foxycook.
Okay, great. So, what was the most difficult part in the early stage of the company?
Yeah, I mean there are a lot of difficult part on the different stages of the company, but the starting the building the platform itself is a quite technically challenge. But like I'm from IT background, I'm having 14 years of technical experience in the IT industry, so which helps me to develop this platform, and that is the most difficult part.
Okay, great. What was the gap in the market that you identified?
So when a user wants to buy a smartphone, when he's researching for the mobile, so a lot of information is available to like which is not palatable to any user. They get confused. A lot of confusion is there in the market. They ask for friends, relative. Now they have the limited knowledge, like whichever the mobile they have used, and the information which is going to show them. So this gives a user not the option what is the best suit according to their need. So this is what the gap we want to change, and like Foxy gives a lot of options, a lot of features available in the platform, which gives the best suit mobile to according to your need.
Can you please explain your business model?
So business model, we have three revenue streams in terms of a business model that we want to highlight over here. First one is the affiliate marketing. We have the affiliation with different big online stores, a new e-commerce stores where we get a commission when there is a redirection sale happen through our platform. Apart from that, we are going to target some advertising on our platform, Google AdSense, through which the second stream of revenue will come. Apart from that, we want to promote or do a campaign for the new brands, new mobiles, or some new online e-commerce stores that want to cater the larger audience to our platform.
What are the products and services that you offer?
Yeah, so Foxycook gives a very good view of a particular product which you want to buy. It is a consolidated view of like where this product is available on different online stores. It gives the price graph of monthly and weekly chart. It gives the offer available on different online stores. It gives the highest and lowest price, different images of that product, Also, it gives the related news. If the product you are looking for is in the news somewhere, we show the consolidated view over there. A consolidated review option is there. Also, a price drop facility available to our subscribed users, and the wish list option is there if they want to like that product and later want to research on that product. So that is the subscription facility we are giving to the user.
Okay,
And
sounds
one more thing I would highlight over here, that we are going to launch intelligent assistant feature in coming months, which gives a behavioral context based information to the user. Like we ask some set of questions to the user, for what purpose they are buying for the which mobile and budget and category and other aspects, and we provide a suggestion. So that is also going to be launched very soon.
okay. Sounds great. So coming to my next question, who are your target customers?
So it's a B2C product. So the consumers, buyers who are researching for the mobiles for their parents, for their self, for family, anyone who wants to buy a mobile, they should visit foxygroup.com. And also the tech audience, like we have the tech savvy users which want to know more information, what is going latest on the electronics category, a new category in the digital products and other things. That are our targeted audience.
Why do your customers choose your products and services, and why do they order again?
Yeah, that's an interesting question. So what happens sometimes, user is trying to find a mobile, say today, and then research for some times, but later that they decided, okay, I want to postpone this buying to some months, 2-3 months. Then after they again have to do research. Then this is the one-stop platform where they can anytime come and can get the suggestion on their fingertips. What are the options available in the market? What are the latest product and the features are offering from the different buyers and online stores.
Okay. What are the 3 unique things about you that make you better than your competitors?
Yeah, so our platform is very simple. That is the first feature that I would like to add. It is very intuitive platform and a very user friendly. You get a very good view of a mobile or product at one store, and you can easily get the information which is consumable. You don't get here distracted from the lot of information. So that is the Foxy Group about.
Right. Why should a job applicant work with you?
Yeah, so we have the very different work culture apart from the ID companies there are in the market. We have 4 days work week policy. So we have one optional midweek off apart from the weekend, and we have the permanent work from home option for all our employees. And apart from that, we provide the ESOP option available also to our employees if they want to choose it.
That's great. If it wasn't for your company, what would you be doing right now?
Yeah, so it's like I'm in the ID industry from last 14 years. I must be holding some technical position where I'm maybe an architect or maybe a head of the technology, where I would be doing the technical stuff mostly. That is what my interest is.
Okay, great. So what are the products and services that you constantly require from your business?
So like we are a startup company, so we want to have our partners like kind of marketing partner, promotional partner, which can help us in our marketing aspect or promotional aspect. That kind of vendor partner we are looking for.
Okay. On which parameters do you select your vendors and suppliers, like price, quality, or quantity?
Quality.
Okay.
That's the motto of the Foxy Group. We are always looking for quality in every aspect.
Okay, that's great. What are the recent and the long-term plans of your startup?
So Foxy Coop so right now supports mobile category only. So in future we want to increase our category option like other electronics device, laptop, television, and some watches, smart watches also. Like there are IoT devices are increasing. It also creating the confusion among user like which smartwatch they should buy. So this kind of category we want to introduce to Foxy Coop in near future. And also our long term ambition is to be a smart commerce platform where like to have this kind of supply and chain enablers for wholesalers, dealers, sellers, distributors, factories to all come together into our platform to their logistic, financial need, and all sort of the e-commerce platform need on in one platform. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So coming to my next question, are you raising any external funds or willing to rise in the near future?
No, right now we are just bootstrapping through our own funds. But yeah, in near future we'll look for the angel investors, and later if there is a need, we'll also go for the external funding. So it depends on like how we get the response from our market, and accordingly we'll decide.
Okay. Okay. So my last question for you is that what is the feedback on Startup Lanes?
So yeah, it's a very good platform for startup. Like there are a lot of aspects a startup company is looking for, and they got a lot of quotation from different places. So Startup Lane is a one-stop shop. Like every founder, I would request every founder or startup company should discuss with Startup Lanes, and I'm sure that there will be some aspect that Startup Lane can help startup company to grow further, and it could be a very good association.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words.